Hi, my name is Mike Clemmy, and I have ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. People who have ADHD have trouble focusing, staying on track, and doing stuff like not procrastinating. For me, I really struggled in school and had to learn how to learn. And in this book, I wanted to share the tips and tricks that I used to accomplish things that I'm really proud of. Do you have trouble focusing or staying motivated to complete your goals? Does sticking to a schedule sound overwhelming? Do you have ADD or ADHD or any other type of learning disability? If you said yes to any of these, then you would probably enjoy my new book. I'm not an expert yet. I share my lessons and strategies that I use to overcome my own learning disability, and hopefully they would help you. Some of the things I'm really excited to share with you are how to inspire your curiosity without getting sidetracked, how to use simple strategies to stay focused and achieve your goals, and a step-by-step program for putting everything into action with your own 50-week challenge. You can pre-order my book on Publishlizer from August 1st to August 30th. This would be a perfect gift for either yourself or someone you know who has ADHD and struggles with some of the stuff that I talked about. Some of the higher sponsorship packages include donated copies to organizations like CHAD, who are helping adults and children with ADHD with resources and information that they need to strive and be successful. Thank you so much. I'm excited to share what I learned with you.